Here's a comparison between Jellyfish and Dreamlight. Jellyfish lighting is an all-in-one outdoor lighting system that can be used on your house. So it is good as an accent light, a holiday light, as well as a security light or game day light on your end. On the other hand, Dreamlight can be a permanent holiday lighting for your home or business or city. So this is actually used for more big businesses. So here's a concise table for a concise comparison. Let's start first with the light design. Jellyfish lighting has a flat box-shaped bulbs that sit flush in the track, designed to be discreet and face downward, while Dreamlight protruding globe-like bulbs designed for maximum visibility from angles and a classic holiday look. For spacing and customization, Jellyfish Lightning has a standard 9-inch spacing, while Dreamlight has a multiple spacing options like 6, 9, or 12 and offers 50 plus channel color options for better matching. And for warranty, Jellyfish has typically have 3 to 5 years, while Dreamlight has a lifetime. So if you're looking for a long-lasting and a quality light, you can go to Dreamlight. But if you're just a beginner when it comes to designing lights, you can go to Jellyfish.